Over 75% of Americans do not have a will. I don't say that to sound morbid. I say it because none of us gets a pass on planning. And if you don't have a plan for yourself, the state has one for you. Every day, families are grieving while also figuring out who owns the house, what happens to the business, and how to protect the legacy left behind. I'm Ashley Edwards, founder of AAA Probate Resources. We help individuals, families, professionals, and organizations understand what happens to property, assets, and ownership after death before crisis creates confusion. Through digital courses, workshops, consulting, and continuing education, we turn probate, heirs property, and estate planning into education people can understand and steps they can actually take. Because at some point, this touches every family, every neighborhood, and every community. At AAA Probate Resources, we help families and communities prepare earlier, protect what matters, and leave assets, not chaos. To learn more, visit us at AAAProbateResources.com.